In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 3D text in Figma. Adding depth and dimension to your text can instantly elevate your designs, making them more dynamic and visually engaging. Whether for headlines, logos, or posters, 3D text helps your message stand out. Figma is an incredible tool, and by leveraging a simple plugin, creating these effects is surprisingly straightforward. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you understand each action and can confidently apply it to your own projects. First things first, make sure you have your text layer ready on your Figma canvas. Simply type out the word or phrase you wish to convert. Once your text layer is selected, navigate to the Plugins menu located at the top of your Figma interface. From the drop-down list, find and click on the Oblique plugin. If you haven't installed it yet, you can easily do so by searching for Oblique in the Figma Community tab and adding it. The Oblique plugin is excellent for quickly generating compelling 3D perspectives from any 2D object, especially text. Clicking it will open a dedicated panel, presenting you with the tools needed for the transformation. Once the Oblique plugin panel is open, your next action is to click the Project button. This command is crucial as it instructs the plugin to take your selected 2D text and apply its initial 3D transformation. This instantly converts your flat text into a dimensional form right on your canvas. You'll see your text gain depth and an angled perspective, a satisfying moment as plain text suddenly pops into 3D. While this initial rendering provides a good base, it's often just the starting point for customization. With your text now transformed into a 3D object, it's time to fine-tune its appearance by making adjustments. The Oblique plugin offers various controls, typically including sliders and input fields, to customize the look of your 3D text. You can adjust the depth to control how thick or thin your text appears, giving it more body or a subtle extrusion. Experiment with the angle or perspective settings to change the viewing point, making your text appear as if it's coming forward or receding. You might also find options for rotation, allowing you to precisely orient your 3D text in space. Feel free to play with these settings. Try different combinations of depth and angle to find the perfect balance that complements your overall design. Achieving the exact visual style you're aiming for requires some experimentation.